in a world marked by its diversity and constant change. The phenomenon of Islam's rapid growth has captured the attention of many. Today, we explore the reasons behind the remarkable expansion of Islam, shedding light on its appeal to people from all walks of life. Join us on this enlightening journey. Islam, a religion that emphasizes peace, submission to God, and compassion towards others, has resonated with millions around the globe. While the growth of any religion is influenced by a multitude of factors, we'll explore some key aspects that have contributed to Islam's rising numbers. One significant factor in Islam's growth is its message of monotheism, the belief in the oneness of God. This core principle appeals to individuals seeking spiritual fulfillment and a clear sense of purpose in their lives. Islam's emphasis on the direct relationship between each person and their Creator creates a profound connection, leading to a strong sense of identity and belonging. Islam places great importance on charity and social responsibility. Its teachings encourage Muslims to engage in acts of kindness and help those in need, fostering a sense of empathy and compassion within its followers. These values resonate with individuals seeking to make a positive impact on society, leading them to embrace Islam. The inclusive nature of Islam is another reason why it has attracted so many followers. Islam teaches that all people, regardless of their background, race, or social status, are equal in the eyes of God. This egalitarianism resonates with those seeking a faith that transcends societal divisions and offers a sense of unity and brotherhood. The Islamic rituals and practices provide a structured framework for worship, offering solace and a sense of spiritual fulfillment to its adherents. The discipline of daily prayers, the annual pilgrimage to Mecca, and the observance of fasting during Ramadan create a shared experience that unites Muslims worldwide. In an increasingly interconnected world, where information is easily accessible, Islam's growth has been aided by the ability to share knowledge and connect with others through technology. The internet and social media platforms have played a significant role in dispelling misconceptions about Islam and providing an opportunity for people to learn about its teachings directly from Muslims. The emphasis on dialogue and interfaith cooperation is another factor contributing to Islam's growth. Muslims actively engage in interfaith initiatives, fostering understanding and building bridges with people of other religions. This commitment to peaceful coexistence resonates with individuals seeking harmony in a diverse and interconnected world. As we conclude our exploration into why Islam is the fastest growing religion, it is important to remember that every individual's journey is unique. Islam's appeal lies in its ability to provide a spiritual path, a sense of purpose, and a community that welcomes and supports its followers. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the many fascinating facets of our diverse world. Remember, understanding each other is the first step toward building a better future for all.